Good morning. My name is Supriya Verma. Today I am going to discuss how we can utilize the knowledge of our pharmacy skills, which we learned from India in Canada. First of all, if you are a graduate from any recognized university of India, you can process your document evaluation with the PEBC Board of Canada. After doing your evaluation, they will make you eligible to write three exams. First is the evaluating exam, second is the MCQ exam, and third is the ASCII exam. In the evaluating section, mostly whatever you have studied in your 4 year career of pharmacy, they will ask questions about it, but there will be additional Canadian guidelines which we have to thoroughly study. After clearing your evaluating exam, you will be eligible to give MCQ exam and ASCII, which is a common factor for you international student as well as Canadian graduates. In the MCQ exam, they will cover all the ailments, either minor, major, like all the body systems of your body, as well as what kind of different diseases, their pathophysiology, and their treatment, what could be the self measures, what are the specific drugs, first line, second line, alternative therapies, in which scenario you can give your medication on your behalf being a pharmacist, as specifically for the minor ailments. Additionally, you can counsel the patient on other diseases too, and at which state you have to refer it to the physician. So these all different kind of diseases and their thorough study will be judged in MCQ. Additionally, there will be in detail of all the Canadian guidelines, like all the ethics which are going through in the community pharmacy. They are keep a track of it. You have to go thorough, understand it, how all the systems are going inside Canada, what are the various laws and regulations, and what should be a pharmacist to familiar with to serve the patients of Canadian community. And they also judge on your calculation, because when you are a pharmacist you have to be quickly do numerous calculations during the data entry of a prescription, because it's very important that you give the safe amount to the patient. It could be a child or a geriatric patient, so it should be the duty of the pharmacist that he is or she is very much careful for the calculations. After writing the MCQ exam, you have to go for the OSCE. In OSCE, mostly the quality of a pharmacist to communicate with the patient, how knowledgeable is the pharmacist, and how a pharmacist delivered its knowledge to the patient is judged along with the knowledge. So you will get different kind of situation where you have to handle the patient and manage his condition, guide him. Apart from it, if you find some kind of issues in the prescription, or you find some kind of error or the thing which could be hazardous for the patient, you have to judge it and stop it. For example, the doctor has given a medication to a patient, but this medication could be allergic. The patient could be allergic to it because he has allergy to similar kind of product. Like if you have a penicillin allergy, you cannot give the drugs which comes in the class of penicillin or having the same basic chemical structure. So at that point you should be mindful and report it to the physician and stop the patient to take that medication at that time, and consult with the physician as soon as possible, and then prescribe the right medication at the right time to the right person, so that we can ensure the safety of the patient in front of us. So the pharmacist will be evaluated not only on the basis of the knowledge, but how he is delivering that knowledge to the patient in the patient friendly manner is a most evaluating factor in the OSCE. So, whenever you start studying for the Canadian system, you enroll with the PBC and go ahead step by step. And PBC will provide you all the authentic resources which you have to follow for the preparation. And after completing these three steps, you will be eligible to enroll yourself with the OCP, Ontario College of Pharmacists. After that, you have to give some minor exams like the English proficiency as well as the PACE evaluation. PACE evaluation is the practical evaluation which is carried out as a last step, in which the pharmacist which has cleared all the steps had to individually handle the pharmacy in terms of technical and clinical issues, and in a timely manner they have to solve the problems of the patients who are coming in person there, who are present there over phone, and all other queries if they have in other form, like the doctor is faxing you or they are communicating you in another mode. You have to answer and you have to guide all the techs and the pharmacy assistant who are working over there, so they cannot do any mistake and any step of a pharmacy. Thank you.